baby can't park there, street cleaning.
Yeah, but that's only on Mondays. It's 30-minute parking from 8:30 to 5:30.
Yeah, but it says no stopping from 4 to 7, and it's 6 p.m.
Yeah, but it's 3-hour parking for commercial vehicles.
But you don't have a commercial vehicle.
Yeah, but my vehicle wasn't a commercial.
All-new Dodge Charger.
But the sign literally says, don't even think about parking here.
Yeah, unless you have O positive blood, which I do.
Well, do you have the paperwork to prove that?
No, but they can't legally ask due to the 96 HIPAA Act.
Oh, okay.
Hey, no.
Should have read the sign.
I did.
Not that one.